What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thank you so much for joining me today on another episode. And as you can tell, I am not outside like I normally am. I love to be outside, but today the weather is in the 20s and there's some snow on the ground, so I thought I would make this video inside since it's a little bit nasty outside. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right to the unboxing of, well, you'll find out. Alright guys, what do we have in here? Well, it looks like it's some metal parts with some hoses running to it. So that's pretty interesting. Anything else in this box? Well, you know what, we can lift this out, I think. Let's set this over here. Nope. Nothing else in here. Alright. Off to the side that goes. Box number 2. Here we go. I'm seeing things. Very interesting stuffing. More stuffing. Nice texture cardboard. Not sure what that's for. I think I found something, guys. It says Gregson Clark Spraying Equipment, and it gives the address in New York. Then it says over here in this corner, it says spreader made to be, operator's manual. I think that's important, so we should probably not toss that. Let's see if I can lift this out of here. I don't want to break. Oh yeah. Well, would you look at that, guys? This is going to be, should I say it, a game changer. That's right, guys. What this is here, ooh, there's a box. Didn't even notice. What this is this is a sprayer that drops right into your 80-pound fertilizer spreader with a pump, obviously, and also a nice spray hose added on, so you can spray those hard to reach areas. This is a 9-gallon, like I said, and this is going to be so awesome. I cannot wait to get this rigged up so it's ready to be installed on the spreader. Oh, it's gonna help me out so much. This is gonna be awesome. What's in this box here? Ooh. I see some wing nuts here with some washers. I see hose clamp here. And I see a smaller box here. Warning. Misuse of product may cause explosion and personal injury. Read that installation operating instructions before using. That's right. Read the instructions. Oh, I know what this is. Right here is the PSI gauge. Right there. Bingo. That's awesome. I shall put that back in the bubble wrap so we don't break it, because we certainly would not want that to happen. Alright, now off to reading the instructions. So this will give you a real good visual of what it's going to look like. There she is, guys. So that's hopefully what it's going to look like when it's installed. I gotta read these instructions. So it looks pretty straightforward, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we set this thing up. I can't wait. This is gonna be awesome. If you're new to the channel, maybe consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.